Right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a drop-down list in Excel. And so this is related to my previous video on my XLOOKUP tutorial. Anyhow, right, so we have our fruit here, and if we change our fruit to banana, for example, it changes. If we change it to orange, it changes. But again, it's very tiring to have to type everything all the time. So instead of this, what we can make is a drop-down list. So here, from Home, go to the Data tab and select Data Validation. So it might look a bit different if you're using a Windows laptop, but again, the options are the same. So just go to data validation. Now here, go to settings and press list. Select the list, and from here, click our source. Now our source is what we want to put in that drop-down list, which in this case is the different products or fruits, right? So select that. And press enter, and we get an icon like this, right? So from here we can just choose what fruits we want. For example, apple. If you want bananas or mangoes, it changes, right? And so it's much easier now, much more convenient than having to retype all the products over and over again. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.